So there was a question this year that what is the least 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 that leaves remainder 2 in each case, right? This was the question number 54. Okay, so there are two ways to do this question. First way is that you find the LCM and multiply it, LCM of these numbers. LCM and HCF will be taken in a separate video, so we'll be doing that by another concept. The way I solved it in exam, which is very time saving, is you simply eliminate the options, right? So that is what we'll do here. So in last video we know the divisibility rule of 4 by 4. That is, if last two digits are divisible by 4, number is divisible by 4. So since the last two digits 12 are divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4, so it won't leave any remainder. It will leave remainder 0. So just cut it. Okay, then by check the divisibility rule of 3, simplest divisibility rule that fetches you marks. Sum of numbers should not be divisible by 3 for this question. If they are divisible by 3, means that number is divisible by 3. Okay, so since this option is gone, just eliminate it. This question 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5, not divisible by 3. So this can be 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so this also number cannot be. So just eliminate this number too, right? This is 1 2 2 2 7. Again just remove it, because this number means don't remove it, like we are not sure whether this number is or this number is the answer, but we are sure that these two are not the answer. Now we are just left with two cases, that is 1 2 2 2 and 1 0 2 2. Okay, so now simply what we can do is, now see, the divisibility rule of 5 is the number ends with 0 or 5, right? So if you divide these numbers by 5, they will remain they will both leave remainder 2, because 1 0 2 0 will be divisible by 5 because end is 0 and plus 2. So it same goes for this. Okay, so no need to divide by 5 and waste your time. Just divide it either by 6 or either by 3, simply either by any, because it should leave remainder in each of these cases, right? Divided by 3, divided by 4, you'll simply come to answer. So you know, you don't have to solve that much. You are just left with two numbers, and within 30 seconds you can solve this question, right? So if you will solve it, you'll get 1022 as the answer. So this is what remainder was. Now in next video I'll be telling about the alphabets, the question, you know, that are coming from alphabets, if A B C is 1 2 3 and something like that. Okay, July is written as this. So that is again these questions are repeated questions. Okay, remainder questions are repeated questions, these are repeated questions, and there is a concept of average. So these are questions that repeat each year, you know. So we have to solve these questions because they will most probably be repeated next year too. Okay, aptitude, the remainder is a concept, you know. You can frame questions in any sense. Example, this is one way. Second way is that they'll give you a month and they'll say that what is the date of that year, right? They'll give you a year, like in last year we saw, last year 2019 they gave a question of 2009 that we recently solved. So remainder is just a concept. You just have to know how to use this concept. Okay, so what I will suggest is I'll put these are the PYQs that you have to try from 2019-2020. These are for set A, right? Just have to see this, and if you have any doubt you can mail me. Thank you, friends.